As our ma'am started the recording when our three group members has presented their presentation, so that's why in this next video only the remaining two members will be explaining or will be presenting the remaining topics.
Flip-flops are not clocked simultaneously, whereas in synchronous flip-flops are clocked साइमल्टेनियसली। एसिंक्रोनस में ये क्लॉक नहीं होते साइमल्टेनियसली, जबकि इसमें सिंक्रोनस में जो है वो क्लॉक्ड होते हैं साइमल्टेनियसली। एसिंक्रोनस में टॉगल फ्लिप फ्लॉप आर यूज्ड, टी फ्लिप फ्लॉप हम जिसे कहते हैं वो यूज होते हैं सिंक्रोनस में, जबकि सिंक्रोनस में क्या होता है हम कोई भी फ्लिप फ्लॉप यूज कर सकते हैं, हमारे पास कोई भी रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होती। हाँ, कुछ रूल्स हैं, हम उसको फॉलो करके इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। Further on, 04 will explain.
It's 19MT04. I will be explaining some of the applications of asynchronous and synchronous counters. As we have discussed that asynchronous are those counters in which clock signal are different for each flip-flop. As we can see in this asynchronous counter diagram that the clock signal was first provided to the first flip-flop, and then it was the output of first flip-flop which was the input clock signal of second flip-flop. And in synchronous counter, we have seen that clock signal is same for each flip-flop. We can say that the number of flip-flop that we are using, the clock signal will be the same, which will be providing to each of them. So now, first of all, here are applications of asynchronous counters. They are used in frequency dividers by the relationship of that time period is inversely proportional to the frequency. And it is used in low power applications and in low noise emissions. Low power applications includes some of the voltage boosters, and they are also used in designing asynchronous decade counters. It means that when we want to design decade counter, asynchronous are the uh, are the basic block of that decade counter. And uh, there are two Morse counter, which is ring counter and Johnson counter, in which asynchronous counter are also used. And now we have the applications of synchronous counters. As we know that in synchronous counters, the clock signal is same for all the flip-flops. And normally the flip-flops which are used in synchronous are D flip-flop and JK flip-flop. We have examples of alarm clock, wristwatch, and set AC timer, which is like AC automatically tripped whenever there is sudden change in voltage. And it is also used in when we are taking the picture by setting the time in camera, and it is also used in automobiles as the flashing light indicators. Normally we can say the uh, side lights. And it is also used in car parking control system, which represents that how many cars are there in the parking lot. And it is also used in the special cases in which we have to count some sort of place that whether it has been filled up or not by using the up and down counters, and they represent that whether the places are filled or not. Now I will be just ending this presentation by showing a little video on our whole presentation.
Okay, beta, this was like good effort from you all. And now, actually, the fifth
Okay,
group. it was nice effort, or especially for those who did like synchronous and asynchronous counters and PLDs and shift registers, and आप लोगों के लिए वाकई ये डिफरेंट था क्योंकि आपने क्लास में बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा था एंड आपने इसको अच्छा PLDs एंड सिंक्रोनस एसिंक्रोनस आप लोगों ने अच्छा दिया और शिफ्ट रजिस्टर्स में भी आप लोगों ने आप तीनों ने काफ़ी बेहतर किया, ठीक है, क्योंकि आप लोगों को इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा एम्फोसाइज़ करी क्योंकि आपने क्लास भी ये नहीं पढ़ी थी और आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और बाकी ओवरऑल आपका ग्रुपिंग मतलब PPTs वगैरह बहुत अच्छी थी, आप लोगों ने सही किया, ठीक है।
Don't forget to click subscribe to get more updates.